Okay, so I'm just going to show another paper trade that I took. Reason it was paper was because it was before 10 a.m. news. And with my strategy, if there is going to be red folder news at 10 a.m., I wait until after that news gets released, see what price does from there, and then react appropriately from there. Had there not been 10 a.m. news, I would have taken this trade, and it was honestly like it was a beautiful setup. So I'm not surprised it played out at all. Anyways, we're obviously bullish. You can look at the 4 hour. This was the fair value gap I was looking to potentially sell down into or buy from if we made it, like if it gave me reason to. But it was fairly obvious when this entry happened for the paper trade that we were just going to respect the 1 hour fair value gap. Nice sweep of equal lows. Really nice just response off of the sweep, right? We came as far to even take these lows here. This is really all we needed to take though for this to be considered a nice sweep. And then really great 5 minute inversion, and the only drawdown would have been the candle that tapped us in to the trade. Break even was here. Again, I managed it just like this because it was a paper trade, so break even was here just in case we reacted negatively off the 15-minute fair value gap. And then luckily we blew right past it, and it would have been a really nice winning trade. And that was the trade that I took on a paper account because it was before 10 a.m. news, so I couldn't take it on live, just based off my rules. So, but yeah, just want to make sure I upload that to collect the data. Yeah, I uploaded yesterday's paper trade as well. And then there was one more trade that I did not end up taking, which would have ended up being a break-even trade anyway. But once we took this, high here, right? That's when I started looking for potential shorts just to rebalance a little bit. And obviously there was this level here where we could have traded back into a 15-minute fair value gap. Let me just find it. It was here. We got right, we inverted a 1 minute stop above the high. Problem with this trade was the fact that we had already tapped into this 5 minute prior to getting the inversion and the entries, so I didn't like this as much for like a draw because we had already tapped into it. But that was the target regardless if I did enter this trade. Actually, the target, you know what's funny? If I did use that as a target, it would have been perfect and that would have been a nice winning trade. But I was targeting here. So it would have ended up being break even, but yeah.